Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me something pretty special. It is a Kuji series, but not any Kuji series, obviously, because then it won't be so special, but, you know, it's Kuji 2 right here, the second ever Kuji. This one should be 2001, if I'm not wrong, and as you can see, the box is pretty different from the newer Kuji, so it's just white and blue with pictures of cars, and not very interesting, you know, not like the newer boxes with so many different just things. And the back of the box right here, there we go, 2001, and the rest of the old style box with the blue Tommy. So yes, this one should be the Lamborghini Miura SV, and we all know that's chrome. So here we go, a chrome silver Lamborghini Miura SV from Kuji 2 right here. Really nice. Beautiful piece right here. As you can see, I have the regular version, one of them right here, and as we can compare, that chrome looks awesome. I mean, no badge for starters, and obviously no front or rear light tampos anywhere, but I still prefer the chrome because it's just really shiny, really reflective. You can just see, like, well, I mean, oh yes, Drifter has uploaded my face reveal in his latest video about the Ferrari Testarossa, so if you want a face reveal of me, go and watch his latest video. So yeah, and okay, I guess you're back in right now. And the other difference between these two cars is that the regular version has the normal 5-studded wheels, while the Kuji has the racing style wheels with silver chrome, not surprisingly. And for the back right here, we both have no tampos. For the rear, well, can't really say windscreen, they're both black plastic, they didn't silver this one. And coming over to the base, actually, as well, let's just try over here. This one is the number 5 1977 casting. This one is made in China, obviously, because it's a Kuji, and they were too lazy to change the base, so they just put China on top of the Japan one. And for the other one right here, this one is the museum version. So this one is a little bit later. This one's 2003 Lamborghini Miura SV. Also changed from Japan to China, and they changed the year as well. So everything's pretty much the same, just that they changed the year. And yeah, that's the only difference between these two. And then, as you can see, the bottom of the front bumper, this one is just perfect chrome, as you can see, because no one's touched it. This is what perfect Tomica chrome actually looks like. So much, well, smoother than your body chrome, where everyone has touched. And you can see a few scratches in there. But as for this bumper chrome, you can see it's totally flawless. So that's what brand new chrome looks like on a Tomica car. So yeah, this one, the interior is black to contrast with the silver, while this one is gray to contrast with the yellow body. So, well, which one do you like more? The chrome silver Miura SV from Kuji 1 or the yellow one from the Museum series? So do let me know down in the comments, and thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.